Hi everyone, Ravi this side. Welcome to EnggAdda. So in the previous video, we discussed about the activemq, what is it and why one should use it out and how we can use it. In this video, we are going to see how we can install the activemq using Docker. So let's get started for that, and let me try to go to the place where we have discussed about installation process. So if you are going to install the activemq on Docker, then you have to pull out this Docker image of the activemq, and then you have to create a container and make your container up and running. So these are the steps I listed out. So the first step that you need to do is you need to run this command, which is docker pull activemq image, and then to create the container and make it up on the port number 8161, you can use this command. So let me try to come out of it, and first of all, let me try to make our Docker desktop up and running. So once it is up and running, what I can do is I can try to run a couple of Docker basic commands, and then we can run our docker pull command and create our container, and then we can see how we have installed like those things. So just wait for a few seconds, and I think my Docker desktop is up and running. Let me try to open a command prompt here, and let me try to test a couple of Docker commands. So just I'm going to run this Docker images command, and here you can see we have so many of images, but there is no image of activemq we have. So you can see this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this docker pull command. So just copy this command. It is docker pull, and then image name, which is rmohr/activemq. So just run this, and you can see that it is using the tag as latest, and you can see it started downloading the Docker image for us of activemq. It will take few seconds or few minutes of time depending upon your internet speed. So once it is installed, what you can do is you can create a Docker container and try to make your Docker container up and running on some ports, and then you can see if your installation is successfully done or not through some APIs. So you will try to see those things. So just wait for a few seconds. Once it is downloaded completely, we can perform the steps. So the next step is we have to create a container and try to assign these ports to that. Use this image to create that container and make it up and running. So this is what we are doing. Docker run -d, and the name is activemq, and then the port we have to provide, and then the image that we are going to use. So just copy this command, go there, and wait for a few seconds. Once it is downloaded completely, then we can run these commands. So I think it is downloaded. If you'll try to run the docker images command again, you will find that let me try to show you where it is. You can see here at the last we have the activemq. Okay, so activemq is installed here. Now the next step that you need to do is you have to run this command to create the container and provide some ports so that your container is up on the port number, the port number that you are providing here. So just let me try to run this. So you can see our container is created, and it will be up and running. So if you'll go to this Docker desktop, you will go inside the containers. You will find that this activemq container is created and it is running, and here you can see the ports number. So I'm going to use this port number 8161. So if you'll go inside that, you will find the activemq dashboard. Okay, so here you can see for monitoring purpose, I already have told you that you can go to this URL, and there you will find the activemq web console, and you can see what are the things there. Okay, so this is the page, and we are on the activemq console. Now let me try to go to the admin. So you have to add this /admin, and then it will find it will ask you for the username and password. So the username and password here is admin and admin, all in small case. So just log in there, and you can see you are inside the activemq console, And here, if you will see, you can see the queues. So as of now, we don't have any active queues. You can see the topics. We don't have any. Subscriber, connection, everything you can come here and try to check. Okay, so this is the web console of activemq, and this is how it is looking like. Now, I think our installation is completed. This shows that our installation is completed, and this is how you can install the activemq using Docker on your Windows machine. So this is about the video, guys. In the next video, I'm going to see how we can develop a Spring Boot application and how we can use this activemq there. And we are also going to see how we can create the producer and consumer, and then how we can transfer the message between producer and consumer using activemq. So this is about the video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel for more such content. Thanks.